we've got to get into the mindset of doing structured authoring and thinking about content as being kind of the database. Think about everybody searching for content on the web and they're trying to find it and they're just putting in text phrases and they may or may not find what they're looking for. So let's say we take something like food content, recipes and restaurant reviews and information like that. We actually put structure in that where instead of writing a recipe and just having paragraphs and bulleted lists, and you could write a recipe using those, but it'd be a lot better if we could say, all right, here are the ingredients, and here are the steps, and here's the category. Oh, it's an entree, or it's sugar-free. So let's say you want to search for sugar-free recipes because you have diabetic considerations. Well, when you put in semantic information like that into a structured authoring environment, you can run those kind of searches as the reader and as the writer. So if you're looking for content on the web and you're like, God, I'm looking for restaurant reviews and I'm looking for some restaurant that's got mole chicken, that's got really good mole chicken. Well, when you do structured authoring, instead of just doing blanket searches across text, you can actually say, I want to search for this type of content, restaurant reviews, and I want to search for specific entrees, mole chicken, and you'll get a very precise search. And so that's very empowering to the reader to be able to find the content that they're looking for. But take that back to the author. Well, I remember last year I wrote a really good recipe, because I write recipes, and I know that it has an ingredient called Slobovian chocolate. And where is that? I can't find that. So if you can execute a search where ingredient equals Slobovian chocolate, you'll be able to precisely find that. So it's kind of like this. We've got to get into the mindset of doing structured authoring and thinking about content as being kind of the database. And when you can execute precise searches as the reader or as the author, you'll be able to find exactly what you're looking for instead of saying, oh, here's 20 results, which one could it be? Now, it'll be the top one.